What are you doing?
Morning.
That's not the question. The question is, what are you doing in my kitchen? And why are you dressed like this?
Hey. Now this is that we are be. Shey fine. Na Charlie oh. Na Charlie. He carry me go shopping. He buy cloth for me. He buy this one for me. He even buy your cream. He say he won't make my color come out small. So I can't say make you no be like say I do ungrateful. I no get money to give her. Wetin I won't give her. I no get anything I won't give her now. So I say make I cook. Make all of us chop. You too, if you follow us chop.
So you now call my husband by his name? You now call my husband Charlie? Yeah? Just because he bought you pepper soup and some cheap clothes. What are you going to call him tomorrow? Darling?
Hey, what you dey talk no good though? What you dey talk no good? You no good.
And so what? Are you going to fight me? No, will you fight me? Do you know what is not good? What is not good is you, a strange woman, cooking in my kitchen, cooking for my husband. That is what's not good. You know what? I think we should just stop pretending. Let's just stop pretending and stop all this crap. I've seen your moves. I've seen the way you look at my husband. I don't like it. In fact, I don't like you.
I've been waiting for what feels alive, an eternity for a child to come my own, a family to be. But years go by, and my heart feels like a stone. Desperation creeps in. I'm searching for a miracle, a light in the darkness. But the more I search, the further we drift apart. Yeah. I see the pace in your eyes, I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I'm tempted to compare. Oh, I see the pace in your eyes, I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I'm tempted to compare. Then I see the truth, the damages that's been on the lies, the surrogate lies.
What now?
What do you mean what? You already know what. You know.
Babe, can you stop with the PDA? Can you just stop, okay? I know you love me and all, but I don't know. People are watching and I can't stand that.
No, like I can't.
No, wait.
I don't care. I don't care.
Catch me if you can.
Okay. You okay?
I want me to tell you the truth. Something to make you feel better. I am not.
Hey, I know. We're in this together. And I have faith that we did it this time.
The same thing you said last month, last year, and 8 years ago. I don't believe you then.
Hey. I'm here. We don't give up. Remember? We always conquer. Hey, just right now, just Try to go to bed, okay?
Dad, I have to check this again.
Hey.
I have to.
Hey, we had a lot to drink tonight. I mean, these things affect the result. Hey. First thing in the morning. You have more sticks, right? First thing in the morning, we'll check it. Hey. I love you very much.
I love you too.
Sleep.
But the more I search, the further we drift apart. Yeah. I see the pains in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I'm tempted to compare. Oh, I see the pains in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I'm tempted to compare. Then I see the truth. The damages that's been on the lies. The surrogate lies. Heart taken off. Then I realize when it's too late, how I love was wrong. Nothing is left. I'm searching for a miracle.
So, would you be going?
A light in the darkness, but the more I search, the further we drift.
You know how I avoid things like that, so no. I won't be going.
It's just a PTA meeting.
Just. An event that constantly reminds me that I don't have children of my own is what you call just. Just. Come on now, please.
Helen, you...
Listen, I love your kids, please. I love them so very much, okay? But this time around, I'll pass. I can't go. God, please, I feel lost. I know that this whole child situation, it bothers Charles so much. It hurts him so much, but somehow he just tries to pretend. He tries so hard to be strong for me.
You know what? Dish the food. I want you to eat something before we talk over this. Just dish.
Please.
See, just said you haven't had any meal. And I'm not going to listen to you until you have eaten something. Take you. Just dish the food.
Fine. do I do? What do I do? I mean, we have tried practically everything. IVF, normal way, nothing.
Babes,
The doctors keep saying that we are okay, so why are we not conceiving? Why? Just why?
in God's own time. In God's own time.
I keep
babe.
hearing that. Everyone keeps saying that. 5 years. 5 freaking years, please. Cause time isn't among those.
Babes, please, you need to calm down. I'll think of a way out. But if your husband isn't bothered about all of this, then I think you're more luckier than you can ever think of.
You think so?
I know so. Yeah. It's okay.
Yes, please.
Surrogacy. We can try surrogacy. Yeah, we've tried IVF. We've tried several sex positions and drugs. We've done everything they've asked us to do, and yet nothing. Listen, we said we won't adopt, right? So let's try this one. Let's try surrogacy. At least it will still be your child.
Wait. Can we talk about something else? Okay? I mean, don't you have something fun to talk about? Neighborhood gossip, new neighborhood gossip? Something else apart from this childbirth issue, please.
We have to talk about this. We can't be talking about neighborhood gossip and petty conversations when our house is on fire.
There is nothing on fire, Helen. You're the one igniting this flame. I have said I am with you. I will wait with you. And I will.
Until when? When I've entered menopause. Huh?
Helen, I've had a very long day. I still have work to do. I can't add this to it right now. So, I was asking them, just to be sure, that the business was legit. I mean, you can't throw in that kind of money into such a business and not be sure that it's legit. You understand?
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine, it's okay.
Yeah, okay. That's all I've gotten since monosyllabic answers. What's wrong, babe?
I'm fine. You don't have to bother yourself, okay? I'm okay.
Helen, is this about the conversation we didn't have last night?
Charles, you have work to go to. Please just eat up, okay? Don't worry about me. I'm fine. Just let me be. You know what? I'm not hungry anymore. Finish up your food. Have a great day at work. I will clean up when I come back downstairs.
Great.
I've been waiting for what feels like an eternity for a child to call my own, a family to be. But years go by, and my heart feels like a strong desperation creeps in. I'm losing my mind.
Hey.
Hey, are you free?
Is everything okay?
There's something I found out that I want to discuss with you.
Okay.
I'll send the location. I'll probably be in my car. I have someone to meet. We'll talk in my car after the meeting. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course. That's perfect. Alright. See you later, okay?
Oh, I see the pains in your eye. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I'm tempted to compare. Then I see the
I don't
truth,
understand.
the damage.
Wait, I want to make sure I heard you clearly and not my ears deceiving me. Say that again.
Okay. There's a lady that lives in my area. She has 7 kids. She's married to a tout. He collects money in the motor park.
Okay.
They can barely feed. He opened a kiosk for her, but they've eaten everything.
So? I'm not a charity organization that caters to adults who cannot do family planning.
Exactly my point. This is an opportunity for you. Yes. I mean, she's desperate. She can do anything for money.
So what you're telling me is I should
strike a deal with her. You and your husband.
That is surrogacy. Peace, Charles will never agree to that. If we don't go the proper way, that means she's gonna have to sleep with my husband.
No, it's
not just anything, Peace. This is my marriage we're talking about here. My personal space.
Helen, you can think about this. You need to think about it. I mean, I even have a doctor that can do a transfer of sperm in case you need it.
God, Peace.
Baby girl, see, you don't need to give me your answers now. I just need you to think about it. Think about it and get back to me.
I got you something to bribe you with.
I'm not interested.
You sure you're not? Barbecue fish, chips.
Wait,
salad.
what? No.
You still don't want it? Okay, this sumptuous barbecue fish fries just for me. I love it.
Okay, wait. I'm
Nope,
interested.
you made your choice.
Come on, I'm interested. I want.
Bye.
Babe.
Your joy. Fish and fries. That's so cheap.
Stop. Just stop it. Can you calm down?
Calm down how?
Yeah, do you have to come to this end?
You talk too much for a fish beggar.
Charles, me, fish beggar.
That's why you want to choke me.
Yes, choke. Choke or knit. Sorry.
I missed you today at the office.
Okay.
You refused to pick my call. Called you. It was a very long day.
Yeah, hope you're okay though. Do you know you can't tell me anything? Don't hide things from me.
Well, it's just that I'm ready for my media investment. I have the money, and the boys have their money. I'm just $1 million short. I was expecting money, and money hasn't come. This can't wait even 2 days.
Oh. Okay. I'll wire you the money this night.
Really?
Of course. Babe, you're always there for me, so why not? I mean, if I can't help you, then what does that make me? Yeah,
I'm
sure.
gonna show you how grateful I am.
Oh, please stop. Oh, stop! It's your peppered fish mouth. Stop it.
Pepper fish, mom. Okay. I'll pepper you with this pepper fish now tonight.
Hello. Yes, I'm definitely. Oh my goodness. I'll call you back, please.
I am so sorry.
What? Do you want to kill my child?
I am so sorry.
Sorry for what? Sorry for yourself. I should have killed my child or something.
No, did you hit her?
Don't touch her. You're looking for people's children to kill, Abby, because you don't have your own. Conceive your own child and leave my child alone.
I just said sorry.
That's sorry for yourself. Every time you're your husband, you're always out there doing. Oh yeah, now go to the room like you guys don't have a room to go and give us children. No, you don't want to give us children. You want to kill my own. It's my own you want to kill. You evil witch. Go and bear children and leave my own alone. Nonsense, evil woman.
Why you come to laugh?
Hey God, what's funny?
Why would I laugh? Wait, was it because of this that you called and said you wanted to see me?
She insulted me. You need to have seen how she insulted. It's not like it's my fault that I don't have a child yet.
Babe, you should know she's jealous. I mean, you have a man who loves you so much, and she can't say so for herself. The husband goes around the city with little girls, so she just frustrated.
Please, please stop.
I mean, it's not a hidden secret. She's just looking for who to pour her frustration on. So, I don't know why you're getting angry.
You're just trying to make me feel better.
Babe, I'm not. I mean, you're doing very well. As much as important as a child is, even without it, you can do more better. You can love happily. So cheer up. Cheer up.
What is this? I got this for your daughter to apologize for what happened earlier. Believe me, I didn't see you both coming. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. Please. She will like it. It's really nice. She will like it.
Please, can you take this thing out of my sight, please? What is this? Oh my goodness. So they asked you to bring a fine young girl to initiate into your witchcraft coven. And you now thought my daughter would be your next possible victim, right? Tell them you lie. Tell them you did not see me and my daughter. Helen! Please, just take this and leave my house.
I just came to apologize. I mean, you didn't have to.
Helen! How many times did I call you? Please, can you leave my children alone? Leave me and my children alone, for goodness sake, Helen. What did I do to you? Helen, leave me and my children alone. Take this and get out of my house. Why don't you focus this energy on getting your own children? Possibly you can just go and do IVF, or you do adoption, or you do surrogacy, or whether you conceive. Conceive like your fellow women do, okay? Every time you hear your husband, you're outside, you're doing disturbing the whole neighborhood, like you guys don't have somewhere to go to. Please, take this thing and get out, okay? You're a child thief, you're here to come and kill, to destroy like the devil. They've sent you. Oh yeah, out of my house. Get out of my house, please. You did not see me, okay? Holy Ghost fire, you did not see me. Tell them you did not see me. Nonsense. Can you imagine? What audacity to... Hey, God, I beg. Please continue saving me. Oh.
What sort of nonsense is that? What gave her the temerity to speak to my wife like that?
You know, I was only even trying to apologize to her, make up for what happened earlier. And then she just started... No, babe, what do you think you're doing?
And let me go and warn her. No, she has no right to speak to my wife like that. No right!
Oh, babe, it's fine. It's okay. I'm fine.
Hey, leave me now. Leave me. Let me go and teach them a lesson.
No, babe, it's fine. Just let her be. It's okay. I'm okay. I'm good.
Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this, Helen. Let me go and talk to her. Because if I don't, they'll continue.
Babe, it's fine. Just let her be. You said you want to help me. I've been thinking.
What?
What if they're right?
You're crying.
Shade, our neighbor. What if she's right? Maybe you should think about this and put me out of this misery.
What are you talking about?
Getting a surrogate child. That's what I'm talking about, getting a surrogate. Let me have my own child and all this will end. I can get someone. It doesn't have to cause any issue. We can do this. Please, just if you love me, do this for me, please. Please.
Let me just think about it, okay? Think about it. I'm not promising anything.
Okay.
I just want to think about it.
Okay. That's fine. You just think about it. While I make the preparations, just please just do this for me, please. Please just put me out of this whole mockery. Let the world stop mocking me. Please just.
I've been waiting for what feels like an eternity for a child to come my own, a family to be. But years go by, and my heart feels like a stone. Desperation creeps in. I'm losing my mind. I'm searching for a miracle, a light in the darkness. But the more I search, the further we drift apart. Yeah, I see the pain in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I'm tempted to.
Tell me about yourself.
Fine, auntie, wetin you make I talk? My name na Tina. But that time for Biapa lawyer, na T baby they call me. I dey sing. I get voice. I come meet one man. He say they play a jigita. Now he carry us. Iba! For ground, poverty. He no get wetin he play inside that jigita for. When he play, come out anything, nothing. Femi. What I see inside? 7 children. I born 7 children. Then I can't get shop. Nothing there inside. Shop just empty. The only thing we did that shop now 2 things. Breeze and nothing. Chai. And auntie, if I tell you your color go change, oh, just leave my problem.
How about your husband?
Fun auntie. Now laugh and I won't laugh me. I tell you, say I meet man for bar. I dey sing, they play guitar. We start to bond. That one na marriage. You know if we reach boyfriend.
Jesus Christ, Tina.
What you dey talk Jesus Christ for this thing? No be manhood. What you dey there? My sister, leave this matter, I beg.
He's not your husband, but you have 7 kids for him.
You see him? Now the question I dey ask myself, you see him? Femi. What if Femi don't do for? Fine auntie. If Femi dey backyard, he go, oh. If I dey inside house, na belle. Na so born, I dey born. You can't be like say, now wetin dey carry me come this life can't do. I dey born, no.
Please, she seems.
Hey, Fine, auntie. I beg no verse. I talk something to make her vex.
No, just relax. I'm coming back here. Sit tight.
Fit up now. No be sit tight, you tell me. Hey! Jesus. See boutique, see boutique, see boutique. I feel for me, believer. Who dey chop on this thing? I bet me no punch me. Who this one? I don't need that.
It's easy. Helen. What?
Wait. I call you and tell you that I'm ready to try, and this is who you bring?
This is perfect fit for it.
You didn't hear her. She said she's not married. Peace. But she told me she was married.
I mean, how was I supposed to know she's not married? She has 7 kids for this man. I mean, isn't it weird? Everyone thinks they're married.
This will not work. This is not going to work. It will not work. Peace, I need someone who remembers she has a husband at home and behave well.
Come on. I mean, there are other surrogates that will take your money and vanish. Some might even return your money and take the baby.
God, peace. I don't know about this.
See, you have to do this. I mean, if she has 7 children she can't even take care of. If she can get pregnant for nothing, what more when you give her millions?
Oh, God. Oh, God.
See, this girl doesn't even know her left from her right. I mean, you shouldn't be scared of a sophisticated girl taking your husband from you. That girl looks tacky. Didn't you see her? This is perfect fit. Please, let's not lose this opportunity. Please, my dear friend, please.
Oh, welcome. You don't get salt too. I manage. Auntie, welcome.
Tina. We have an offer for you. One had to refuse.
I don't chop already now. What's in the room?
I want a child.
Hey! Hey! I talk as well that they look me. See, I know they tip anything.
Hey, calm down.
Make I tip the gift for you.
No. What?
Tip me this one.
Yes.
That's far from it. I want you to get pregnant for my husband and I.
Hey!
Yes, we have a doctor.
I don't enter threesome. I don't enter threesome.
Listen,
I know they do that kind of
listen.
thing, no.
Listen. We have a doctor that will put you through the procedures.
Hello! Hey! Doctor go follow knock me. Which kind of place you carry me come?
Tina, relax now. Relax.
Which one be relaxed? Doctor dey inside, she dey inside, husband dey inside. Hey!
My husband doesn't need to touch you.
Who can't touch me?
The doctor doesn't need to. It's just a procedure.
What's in that one?
Okay? Listen, it's a procedure. They'll put the sperm in your body and then you conceive and then have the baby. That's all.
Hey!
No man needs to touch you.
No problem, we talk well. I don't finish, Abi. I can't dey go now, talk well. No worry.
3 million naira.
What you should talk?
3 million naira.
How many people go enter me?
None. Think about what 3 million naira can do for you and your kids.
Hey! Hey! I go do it.
I'll pay you 1 million naira right now as upfront payment.
Hey!
When you conceive and have the baby, the balance will be given to you.
No give me that. No put that kind of money for my account. I never see that kind of lot. They go hold am. They go freeze am. They go lock the account. You go give me 1 million.
So are you afraid?
See, if I tell you no be a question. Now devil they manipulate me. Yes, now.
So you're not going to discuss with your husband or your boyfriend?
Hey, they talk Femi. If I call Femi now, tell her say this kind of thing they happen. I can't call her say make I ask her. Wherever it is, so you go give me boom. You go knock me. You go do am. We need am o. You know how much you dey talk to? Hey.
Hey, whoa. Okay, I'll discuss with my husband and then I'll get back to you, okay?
Hey. Call am now, make him no change your mind. Call am.
Tina, relax. Do you need more food?
The rice no sweet. Swallow.
You can order more. Okay, swallow. Right. Okay.
Hey. Connection.
Desperate for money, more than eager to have a child. I mean, you can swear she enjoys being pregnant.
I mean, look at the way the girl was respecting you. All she just needs is money for food and you have her doing your biddings. Why do I smell something fishy? What is it?
Charles doesn't know about this.
What?
No, but I'll convince him. She said he had a doctor who would do this without her having to sleep with my husband, right?
Yes.
Okay. Contact him. Yeah, and leave Charles to me. I'll get him on our side, I'm certain.
That sounds like a plan.
Are you out of your mind? You did what?
Baby, listen, this is the only way, okay? We may never be able to have kids again. I made all my inquiries. This is safe. Please.
Do you even know what it entails?
That will be parents in a year. That's what it entails. Okay? And I'm sure that's what we both want.
I can't do this with you, Ellie. I can't do this one.
Are you not tired? Are you not tired? I am. I'm very, very much tired because our friends go for PTA meetings and we stay here doing nothing. I pass and people make jest of me because everyone thinks it's my fault. God, I am tired.
I will wait for you. I said I will. We can do this on our own.
We can also have one while waiting. Yeah, at least one. While waiting to have our own. Yes, we can do that. Please, baby, please, we can do this now. Please. Please.
Hey. Hey. You're awake?
Did you get any sleep at all?
I've been thinking. Even though I do not agree with you. If it's what you want, let's do it.
Really?
If it's going to make you happy.
Yes, it will make me happy. Thank you so much. Thank you, baby, thank you. Listen, we won't regret this, okay? I have everything under control. All right?
I have to see the person first.
Okay,
I do not like her. It's off.
I'll have her come here in a few minutes. Yeah, and then we'll talk and conclude things before you can go to the doctors.
Let me see her first.
I'm searching for a miracle, a light in the darkness. But the more I search, the further we drift apart. Yes. I see the pace in
God. Hello? Yes. He's in. Please call Tina and have her come to my house this morning. Okay? Please. Thanks. Thank you. Yes!
I see the love that we share, but when the pressure mounts, I'm tempted to compare. Then I see the truth, the damage is dancing on the lies, the surrogate lies, the heart taken off.
Brother.
Dosa.
Where's mom?
Here she is. Flesh and blood.
Na me o. I don born 7, I fit born 20. 100, I fit do am. My body ready. Well done, sir.
Fine. I have my terms and conditions. First, you go visit the doctor, run all the tests, and then she moves in here.
What?
Yeah. I'm not about to let her, who's going to have my child, out of my sight. That's not going to happen. Look at her. She looks like she barely gets by. So she moves in here, we take care of both of them. She gives birth, we settle her, she goes.
Are you okay with that?
Auntie, for this big house, wey fine like this, I go stay. Oga, God bless you. God bless you. Auntie, God bless you.
How about your kids? Where will you keep them?
When they go also, get why they put them. They go understand, brother. Thank you. Madam, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you.
Just settle in, okay? Relax. I'll be right back, okay?
No, sir, I won't send you a message. I beg, if you help me off this thing, go to enter my body.
That's okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Thank you.
There. Okay now?
Hey.
Good?
Thank you, ma.
Okay, I'll be right back, okay?
Technology won't kill me. Oh. Hey, see the sounds why the constant. Oh, thank you. I don't suffer.
You wanted this. You initiated it. So what's going on?
I want a child, yes. I didn't say I wanted a full-grown woman living under the same roof with my husband and I.
It's just for 9 months, babe. 9 months.
I don't care. We can rent her somewhere or something. I can always go there to visit her if need be. I just don't like the sound of her being here. Did you see the way she looked at you?
Oh, come off it, Helen. Come off it. We're going to do this my way or no way. Did you even see her? She doesn't even look like she eats properly. If I'm going to be a father, then I have to be responsible.
Babe. Okay, listen. We can give her ₦1 million. 1.5 even as front payment. She can take care of herself from there.
Do you want this or not?
I do, but...
Then we'll do it my way or not. Do you trust me? Trust me, please. On Monday, we'll go do the tests, sort out every other thing. We'll be fine. We will be fine. I promise you.
Yes. Oh my God, come in. I don't carry on. How did you go? Come, everything's okay. Come in. Come and sit. Come and sit. Oh my God. She's pregnant. See,
I tell you, sir, I be machine.
Oh my God.
I be machine. Better one. Hey! Eh? See room. Hey!
So, you'll be here for a couple of months. That's where you'll be staying. Hope you like it.
Don't let me go stay here.
We're in the house. So.
I dey ask because where I dey stay for my house. Now me, Femi, 7 children. My sister pikin for village. All of us dey one room, now kitchen, now bathroom, now everything. This one, I know sabi stay oh.
No, don't worry. The bathroom is over there actually. So. Yes.
I go back for compound.
No, of course not. Just settle in, okay? If you need anything, just let me know.
Sister, no vessel. This thing, how did they carry off?
I'll push you through.
Yeah, make no enter my body.
Don't worry, I'll put you through.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Thank you.
Just settle in, okay?
Okay.
Arrange your stuff and yeah, just call me.
I don't carry stuff come in a bag.
Just be good, okay?
Thank you. And our pikin go like am oh.
For sure.
Hey! T-baby! See am, you don't reach. Oh, they go off this thing for co. Oh! See as bed soft. Which kind of thing be this? Oh! See am. Femi, I tell you. So I go make am. Eh? Hey! This one now, 1 remorse. 3 down go te. Ewo! Oh, see house. T-baby. This pikin, you be my good luck. Don't worry.
What is it?
What's wrong?
Auntie, I no fit chop this thing, no. The pikin no fit. As I dey smell the food, they turn my belly. I don't know which kind of pikin be this one, no.
Okay, I can get you something else. Okay, but for now, just try a little and, nibble on it so you can have something in your stomach.
Make I nibble. So no be nibble matter. I no fit chop this thing. Auntie, na the pikin wey dey my belly dey worry me.
What do you want? Or just ask, that's all.
Hey, I don't want to disturb you.
No, it's fine. Just say
Make
it.
I talk.
Yes.
Amala, 6. No be me, oh. No be me. Na this pikin. The appetite I never see. 6 amala. Ati ewedu. Ati gbegiri. Ogufe. Everything together. Fresh. No be the one wey they cook yesterday. The pikin no go like am.
But I can't make that now. I mean, the market is very far. Before I go to the market, then come back and start preparing it, it would take too long.
Fine, I'll get it. I'll go and get it for you. It's okay, yes.
Okay.
Babe, are you sure?
Auntie, no make I chop. I know, but I go sleep now.
It's okay, sit down.
it's
Just
fine,
relax.
it's okay.
I'll go and get it. It's fine.
He will go get it for you.
Okay. Brother, wait, no verse. You know, say you talk say market far. Before you go to market, get one woman. Hey, abacha dey sweet well. Your pikin like the abacha, no be me oh. No be me. I sabi all this one before. Now as I carry belle for, I be like say na you. Na your appetite the pikin carry. Abacha and better nkwobi. Eh?
Fine.
Abacha no nkwobi.
Yeah, I'll get it. It's fine. Let me get the car key.
Okay.
God bless you. Hey, oh. I know they like to disturb oh.
Okay, can you at least try to eat a little bit? At least.
Auntie, I tell you, I no fit. I know this thing before. No be spaghetti. I no fit eat them.
Okay, I understand.
No worry, eat your own. I go just they look like this. They chop. Hey! Oga! Hey, Oga Chalo! This one the highest OC boutique. Oh! I never wear this kind of thing. Maybe they don't go kidnap me. Maybe they don't kidnap me because of this fight is.
Nobody is going to kidnap you. Do you like it?
Like? I see this one in a boutique. If I wear this one in that street, hey! That's it, baby, over here. See my clothes now.
What's going on here?
If you see the clothes, Oga Charlie will buy me all this cup. Help me tell her thank you.
I bought her some clothes. I mean, I don't want her looking scruffy around the house. So.
Scruffy. Is that so?
This is no fine. Help me thank her. Not be only this one. No, see everything you buy for me. Eh? Hey, Oga Charlo. Oga, I know if you call your name like that, my mouth no go agree. Hey, thank you. Hey, Oga Charlo, if you stand up. Hey. Hey, thank you.
Thank you. Be comfortable in this clothes?
This cloth? Pikin where they dance for belle. Pikin where they dance for belle. Oh. Hey, Oga Charlo, this is fine. Well, I no go wear am. I go keep this one for Christmas, December time.
Christmas.
May they not kidnap me.
Nobody will kidnap you, please. I bought it so that you wear it. So wear it. Look nice. That's why I bought them.
I have to wear them now.
Yes.
Hey, boutique. I go wear
that
them.
one in December. That's fine.
You go. No talk, man, no talk. Let me get everything.
Who else?
Hey, God bless you. God bless you, sir. Thank you. Hey.
I've been waiting for what feels like an eternity for a child to come by.
Baby, come on now. You've not spoken to me today. You've just even given me an attitude. What's going on?
Do you want to pretend you don't know? Huh? Why'd you go about buying her gifts without telling me, really?
How about now, baby? Look at the way she dresses.
How is that your concern? It's not as if the way she dresses affects the baby.
Okay, listen, I didn't mean it like that at all. I did not, you know. I just couldn't stand the sight of someone living under my roof, dressing like that.
That is the business of her and her man. Okay, you have no right buying her gifts without telling me. Or you should have just at least told me. I would have bought them myself if need be.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. You know I would never hurt you, really, you know.
Can't wait for all of this to be over.
I'm sorry now.
Hey! Tea baby. Chefo. Salt no dey this thing.
What are you doing?
Morning.
That's not the question. The question is, what are you doing in my kitchen? And why are you dressed like this?
Hey. Now this is that we are be. Shey you fine. Na Charlie oh. Na Charlie. He carry me go shopping. He buy cloth for me. He buy this one for me. He even buy your cream. He say he wan make my color come out small. So I can't say make you no be like say I dey ungrateful. I no get money to give her. Wetin I wan give her? I no get anything I wan give her now. So I say make I cook. Make all of us chop. You too, if you follow us chop.
So you now call my husband by his name? You now call my husband Charlie? Yeah? Just because he bought you pepper soup and some cheap clothes. What are you going to call him tomorrow? Darling?
Hey, what you dey talk no good though? What you dey talk no good? You no good.
And so what? Are you going to fight me? No, will you fight me? Do you know what is not good? What is not good is you, a strange woman, cooking in my kitchen, cooking for my husband. That is what's not good. You know what? I think we should just stop pretending. Let's just stop pretending and stop all this crap. I've seen your moves. I've seen the way you look at my husband. I don't like it. In fact, I don't like you.
Hey, you don't catch me. Madam, no be, you see that my eye, this eye, sometimes I go tell this eye, close, you go open. Hey! Now my eye, yo. You know, say na fine man you marry. Sometimes I go just look, I don't want look. But you know they look me, oh. Brother Charlie, they look me, oh. And we know say, na in pikin I carry, na only pikin they look. Na him be the papa of the pikin now. No be so. I don't want your husband.
I never said that. But you know what they say? That the mouth says what the brain thinks.
Ha.
Stay on your lane. Take your eyes off my husband. Am I understood? Now you will get out of my kitchen. You will leave my kitchen and never you come back here cooking again, except you're cooking for yourself. Doing things for my husband is off limit. Okay? Get out. Get out of my kitchen! My friend, get out! See this one? Because you're pregnant. Are you pregnant with Jesus?
And it dey work. If I sing the song, ma try am.
Song.
If I sing the song, the pikin go kick for you. It dey work, oh.
Are you serious?
Yes,
Oh, yeah,
nah.
yeah, try.
See this song, if I sing it now, my mama teach me. Oh. If I sing it now, the pikin go kick for you.
Joking.
It's not. Oh,
try,
you not
try.
ready?
Eh?
Ah, yeah. You dey make me dey laugh. Okay. Yeah, okay. My pikin, your mama dey sing, your papa dey dance. You suppose kick. My pikin, your mama dey sing, your papa dey. Now because they laugh, they dey work.
We have try.
Okay.
Try again.
Okay. Hiya, my pikin, no for my hand. Okay. My pikin, your mama dey sing, your papa dey dance. I kick for rock. You don't dey kick. Wait. Now here. Put your hand. Put two hand. You don't dey kick. You don't see him. You don't. Put your head. Put him. Hey, I tell you say they work. Hey, you see him? Mama. Hey,
Baby, she sings and baby kicks.
Oh, really?
I did tell you. May I sing for you?
Sing.
Okay, bring your hand. The other mama don't come. Put your hand here. They feel am?
So fragile.
Very.
Yeah, put. Hey, if you dey kick well before when only papa dey, I don't know why I come dey do like this. You be like, hey,
He wants to rest.
that is baby. I put your head. Hey, don't stop. Madam again.
Sing
Okay.
again.
Your mama dey sing, your papa. You need to dance now. If you don't dance, you don't go work.
Oh, yeah, I'm dancing.
Your mama dey sing, your papa dey dance. The other mama go kick for us. Hey, you see am? He dey work. I don't tell you. Shade.
Tina! What are you doing here? Are you serious? Come. Let me give you a seat. Come.
Hey.
Come and sit down, please. I didn't even know you know this ritual. What are you doing here? It's been a long time, my love.
Easy, oh. Kino press, baby.
What is with this one?
Hey.
This your husband, that sharpshooter, oh.
Which husband be that one? Sit down, man. Give you gist. Say so that husband matter. Hey, God, do.
Small. It's not your husband give you this one.
You want your gist?
Give me gist.
I don't define person where I go give this a pro.
Give me.
You want your gist?
Network just there. Just define it. I wasn't expecting to see you.
I take time now. I say make I play small away. You too like a proco. Hey, Shade. No be like that. She might give you better gist. Nothing happen.
Gist. Tell me.
You don't ready?
Tell me. I want that day. I want to know.
Okay.
What do you mean you want out of your house?
She's been here for some days and I don't like her vibes.
You don't like her vibe, but you brought her. Besides, she hasn't done anything wrong.
Oh, really? Because all I see are red flags hovering all over my house like national flag.
Helen.
What? Don't speak to me like I'm crazy. I saw you. I saw the way you were grabbing her stomach like you wanted her stomach to open so that it can fall inside and she'll carry you too.
Jesus Christ.
Yes! Please, I don't like it. She might be pregnant for us, but please, I'm still your wife. And if I say I don't like it, I do not like it. Stop it.
Let me tell you, that's not going to happen. All right? I will not have the woman carrying my child out of my sight. So please stop. This is the reason I didn't want this from the beginning. I said no. All of this drama.
Okay. All right.
Are you serious? Someone that cannot even conceive is supposed to be respecting you.
My dear.
Eh?
That woman, she thinks I be idiot. Say I be Dundee. No, say I'm me again. See, baby. See for streets.
I trust you.
I don't be fool now. I know as they be. Because I marry Mumu put for her. Not be say me I be Mumu.
I know you.
Okay.
You're not a dead person now.
Oh, baby girl.
My baby. Now wow.
That man sweet though.
Tell me something. See, baby, give me gist now.
Hey, you too like a pro. I don't talk her. Hey,
See,
gosh, I did.
see,
Come
see,
we
make
said
I-
you come today, eh? You see, I tell you, no be that kind thing. No be that kind one, no. No be that kind thing. He never touch me. No be say if he won't touch me, I no go give him. I go give him more.
Sure
but
now.
he never touch me. I'm just caring man. Very caring.
See, baby, make I know you now. If you know where to carry you come here, just do it and carry you come here, make you dey go your house. But I leave that woman husband. Don't say make I know you. She know they agree you. I don't want wahala for you. You know say you get belay. So just leave the woman and house for me. They carry the wahala, they go.
Shade, no say we never see since. They pay me. It is I don't change. No, give this belly for you. Oh. It's still in my body. I go use wrapper hold the belly. I go show am who I really be.
I trust you.
You say I need who I make you. If I want something, I go do it. Nothing go still happen.
I trust you. That's my
But-
girl. See the baby.
But see wetin they talk. See, the man come dey make me dey regret say na Femi dey give me. My village people just pack enemy of progress give me. Things wey Femi never do before. Na wetin this man dey do for me. How many children I don born for Femi? No be one, no be two, no be three.
Men dey like that.
But he never put his head for this belle make he hear wetin pikin dey talk. This man so you know as they be now. If I just tell am say pikin dey shift o, the baby kick, he go come, he go put ear for the belle, he go hear wetin dey happen, he go put hand. If I say na here dey pain me, the man go massage me there. Hey, see man now.
For real?
See the attention this man dey give me.
Wow. I don't know say the man sweet like this. So.
Tina! What are you doing there? Do you both know each other?
Question.
My love, I beg, I go see you later, Jerry.
Hey, what?
Stand up. Sit down very well, make you don't fall.
Better person.
I will see you later, Jerry. We go talk.
Belle, buy the sweet for me, oh. No be me need na the pikin. Hi.
Do you realize that I paid you, feed you, and still house you?
Hey, I don't suffer. I don't.
What gives you the guts to disrespect me like that?
Madam, which one be disrespect? I know say you give me money to born pikin for you.
Okay.
But you don't give me money make I pick friends, pick enemy. I no go do that. See, It's not for one thing.
If not for what? If not what? You steal my husband? What? Or what will you do?
Hey.
What will you do? Listen, I have seen your moves. Even though they are subtle, I have seen them. Don't think I'm stupid. Do not think I am stupid. You will listen to me and stay away from my husband, else I will throw you out.
Throw which person out? And they fear you? You throw me out, not be your pikin, you go throw come out. Wetin happen to that shoulder wey you dey carry up? No be you talk say Oga Charlie no go fit carry person like me. I no reach una level. Wetin you talk again? I no get class. E get one word wey you talk. You talk and finish. Wetin come carry dey come down? You dey fear?
Wait, let me tell you. That lady you're talking with, that lady you're talking to is not a friend to my family. You will stay away from her. Stay away from her. Listen to me, else I will throw you out. I am warning you. You stay away from her.
Madam Ellen.
What's wrong with you?
E no go happen. I no be small pikin. You no go pick my friends for me.
Oh,
E no go happen.
Oh really?
You dey hear
You want
me?
to fight me in my house?
Which you talk?
You want to fight me in my house? Do you realize you're under my roof? Do you realize you are under my roof? I feed you, I paid you. What the hell is wrong with you?
You don't start this again.
What is wrong with you?
You carry fight come meet my dey answer you say I wan fight you. Wetin dey worry you?
So you're shouting at me?
Wetin you go do?
Are you shouting at me?
I tell you say come out of my face.
Are you shouting at me? Fight you now.
You wan kill the pikin?
want to
Oga Charlie ooo! They wan kill the pikin! They wan kill am! Kill him! Oga Charlie come ooo! Make una come ooo! They wan kill pregnant woman! Beat me na! Which kind of woman is this one?
Just evil. Evil woman, that's what you are, evil.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. How could he believe her over me? How?
Can you please calm down?
Calm down. I can't calm down.
I mean, maybe when you get home, you guys should talk about it.
After he called me wicked, I know I'm angry, yes, but I can never hurt a woman, not even a pregnant woman.
And I believe you. Baby girl, see, you can't stand here and be crying while another woman is at your home. I mean, you said it yourself, she has eyes for your man. Who would have believed that Tina of a girl could be this vile? I mean, she looked timid and a cake.
I want a child, peace, but I also want my marriage. But at this point, Charles is just giving her all the leverage to just break it.
Helen.
What am I supposed to do? He enables her. He's enabling her, giving her all the guts to talk to me anyhow. She doesn't even call me my anymore. She doesn't even respect me. All she does is wag her mouth, wag her waist all over the house. Is she the only one to be pregnant?
Babe.
She pretends to like me in front of him and he buys all her crap.
See, babe, she's not going to live in your house forever. I mean, she just have a few more months and she will deliver. And all this pregnancy deal will be over.
You don't understand. You don't understand.
Babe, I do understand. I understand you perfectly. You know what? Let's just leave Tina. Let's focus on Sade now, okay? And I think I have a plan. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Can you imagine seeing how the literally I was
What nonsense
I
is
was
that?
devastated.
Hey, you this thing, come here. Come here, I'm talking to you.
Excuse me? How dare you talk to me in such a manner? Are you okay?
What would you do? Eh? You walk inside and call that your useless husband that goes around, sharing his manhood, distributing his mola like candy.
What? I bet you didn't know it was an open secret. Listen, I've been quiet with you. But don't mistake it for weakness. Okay? I will warn you for the very last time. Stay away from my family. Stay away from Tina. Because if I ever see you smile at her again, you see that your husband, I will point at your husband and you will never see that piece of trash again.
Are you threatening me?
Oh, shut up! Shut up!
And it's vanity for a child to come by.
You can mess around some more and find out yourself.
A family to be.
I don't have time for this rubbish.
Big for nothing. Housewife, don't go and find work. It's joblessness that is making you stay at home and be talking about other people's homes. Rubbish. Just look at her.
I'm losing my mind.
You're keeping quiet for this girl, and I don't like it.
Madam, what do you they talk? No be wetin happen.
Shut up! Shut up your mouth! What do you know you're explaining? So if I had not walked in on you guys, probably by now something would have been happening between you and my husband.
Ah, God forbid. God forbid. Madam, clear your mouth now. Which kind of talk be that one?
Is that the kind of person you are?
Hey, God. Eh? No be wetin happen na the belle dey disturb me, na the hormones. They turn my belle, I can't forget say no be me I ain't get belle or get pikin. I can't carry hand, can't put. I can't dey. Madam, everything don't dey me for body anyhow.
What are you talking about? What useless hormone are you talking about? See, I don't want to see you close to my husband. Don't forget that you're here for a deal. We're on a deal. I paid you for this, for crying out loud. Deliver it and hand it over to me. That's it. I don't want you close to my husband. I'm warning you for the last time. Let this be the last time I'll see you close to my husband.
What are they find for there? Oga Charlie go one person like me. Say as I be now.
It's not you throwing yourself on him.
Ha.
Stop it. Just stop it.
I don't hear you. No verse.
Where's Charles? Charles! Charles!
Hey, it's not what it looks like now.
I didn't ask you anything.
But look at you, you're hurt.
Oh, now you see. You know what? Just leave me alone. Okay? Go be with your baby mama.
Go back to putting your head on her tummy like it's some cozy sofa. Go back to holding hands. Just leave me alone. You're beginning to irritate me. Leave me.
She's not my baby mama. She's our.
Our what? Who believes a stranger over their wife? Who calls their wife names? Oh, because of a stranger. Obviously you.
But she said you hit her and she was outside crying.
And I said I did not touch her. Charles, I did not touch her. But who did you believe? Her! Her, Charles!
I'm sorry.
You are? But you never called me like you used to. Instead, you sat there, eating meals that she made you, laughing like a hyena.
I'm sorry. I didn't know who to believe.
Oh, yeah. Right there is my answer. Right there. It's my answer. Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone, please, I beg you. Just get out and leave me alone. Leave me! Leave me alone! Leave me alone, just leave me! Oh, leave me alone, just let me be, please.
I see the pain in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I'm tempted to compare. I see the pain in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I'm tempted to compare. Then I see the truth. The damages that's been on the lies. The circus lies. The heartache and all.
Oh no, babe, it's nothing. It's nothing. Please, let's do this, okay? Come on.
How can you say it's nothing? It's not just scream and
Babe,
you're saying I should ignore it.
I know her. Please, ignore it. It's nothing. Come on.
Come on now, have some empathy. If for nothing else, that's my child.
Oh, so it's your child and not mine. It's our child. Our child. Okay? Let me take her over myself. Let me go take her over myself, okay? Charles! Which guy will let me this? Which guy will let me this? So,
What's wrong?
Now my back.
Your back?
You feel like they wipe me to my toe.
Sorry.
My leg.
Should I take you to the hospital? Is the baby okay?
Which hospital? If I stand up for you, I go die.
No.
I go die. If I stand up.
Wait, just wait. Okay, let me call Helen so that I'll go to the hospital and get drugs.
Don't be Helen. Don't leave me for here. You want make I die? Don't leave me for here.
Okay.
Oga Charlo, stay with me. Sit down. Sit down. They could have followed this speaking, talking, walking me. Sit down. I beg them with me.
They say you should breathe.
You know they walk. Sit down. Oga Charlo, sit down.
Sorry.
Put your hand for here.
Sorry, breathe. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, bring your head. Put your head for you. Make your picking not say on that day.
Are you sure? Sorry. Don't. Oh, yeah, sorry. My head is there. My head is there. Sorry. Sorry. Are you sure?
Like that. Don't come out this head though.
Okay.
I'm tempted to compare. Then I see the truth. The damages that's been on the lies. The circus lies. The heartache and all. Then I realize when it's too late, that our love was all that was needed.
Baby, come on. Do we have to fight about everything? Do we? I mean, she really needed my help. She did. Baby. Helen. Baby.
Are you startled?
What's it be that one?
For someone who claims her waist is about to fall off her body, you pace too much.
Madam, what's it carry you come?
So you're plotting again?
Madam, what's it carry you come?
You're plotting again, aren't you? You're plotting on how my husband will come running back to you again, right?
What people, where could I see you? Where could I see? I just there they sleep. You don't come find me. Madam, which one be plotting again? Eh? I carry pikin for belle. Pikin what I carry for belle need person to rub am. I call him Papa, make you rub am. Wetin I do you? Wetin I do you? Madam, it is easy to carry pikin. If it easy, why you no carry your own?
Don't you ever say that thing again. What you just said to me, don't you ever repeat it again. You're such a miserable person. You're a terrible human being. No wonder your life is so stagnant. Nothing good works for you.
What do you talk?
Sad and lonely, miserable person.
What do you just talk?
You have a useless husband. Too many children. Because of this, the way you are. That's why you're trying to penetrate into my home. You're trying to take advantage of my husband's niceness and kindness. Right?
Madam, if not so, waiting they move you. Waiting they fear you.
You cannot move me. You, like this, you don't move me at all. You know why? You're immeasurable to our class. You're just a little rat. A little rat we picked from the gutters and decided to help. Do you know what happens to little rats when they try to play with big fishes? Do you know? They die.
You don't talk finish. Make I tell you my own. You know what they pay you? Now because anytime why I call Oga Charlie, he go run come. If here they pay me, he go rob am. If na here they pay me, he go rob am. So if you like, see that, where you they shout. If you shout and finish, if I call am on top of you where you dey, he go see run come. E no funny.
Don't you ever speak of me like that. I can't wait for you to have this thing you have in your stomach and leave my home. Stay away from my husband. I am watching you. Stay away.
Hey! Hey! T14. Hey! You don't mess up. See your life. This woman slap me. Ah, little Beno. Hey! 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 Hey!
I need us to talk.
What do you want?
I have some issues at the office.
Oh, really? Wow. You have issues at the office, and now you run to mommy. Yeah?
Helen, please.
No. When I want you to perform your duties to me as your wife, what do? You stand up and run to your Tina, right? Why can't you go to her now? You know you should go to her. Go to her. She will help you out. Oh, wait. She's not smart enough to help you?
Come on now, don't call her my Tina. We both know why she's here.
Oh, well, lately, I don't understand anymore. It feels like more to me. Do you know what? Just go to her. Let her help you. Otherwise, you're saying she's not brilliant enough to help you. That's why you're running back to me. Go to her, please.
Baby, please now.
Hey, just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Let's not be like this now.
Oh, really? But she's been at the receiving end of your attention lately. So why don't you just run to her? Please, go to her and leave me alone, okay? Just leave me alone. But how is it difficult to leave me alone? Leave me alone now, Charles. Leave me alone. I begged you. I begged you enough to just give me that your attention as your wife. I begged you, but no. You only remember now because you have some work issues. Now you have to go meet her, please. Just don't disturb me. And by the way, kind people have no business with the wicked. Yeah, we the wicked people, we don't have any business with the kind.
Okay, can you at least even come upstairs? It's gonna get cold here later at night. You can't.
I'm not sure I'm the one you're talking to.
Then I see the truth. A diamond G's dancing on the lights. The surrogate lies. The heart taken off. Then I realize when it's too late that our love was all that was needed. Nothing else left.
Hey,
I'm
what are you
searching
doing?
for.
Are you okay?
Baby, this my leg swell. Fainter.
Sure. Is everything okay? Sorry.
I just dey feel bad. They worry me for body say all the problem wey dey your marriage na me dey cause am. I know myself, I be better person. I do these things to make I help una. Not because of money or anything, no.
No, it's not you. We just had a little misunderstanding, that's all.
This one, pa. Could you tell me, comot that English for your mouth? This one pass misunderstanding. Misunderstanding, that means say wife comot, leave husband for this kind weather for two. You no good now. This one no be misunderstanding. This one na agbege.
I mean, no, you don't have to bother about it. I mean, we'll sort it out. We will. It's nothing.
Yeah. Actually, you be better person. You be better man. See all the wahala wey this woman dey give you. I never say one day you carry your hand say you won't beat am or you shout. I never see that kind thing before. Okay, see the one wey happen now. So you dey, I don't know if na cry you dey cry. You just dey by yourself. Be like say they pour you cold water. It no good. Better man you be.
Okay. Well, I think you should go and rest. You know, you and my child need to rest. The more you stress, the more the baby will stress. And you know the child knows. Or my child knows.
Actually, you see my child. Our child, our pikin, now we get am o. Now me and you get am. I mean, all of us get am.
Thank you. Thank you for agreeing to do this for us, for agreeing to put a smile on our faces. This means a lot to me. To us. Thank you.
Okay. God, Charlie, I don't talk and say you be better man. If you get anything for mind, what you want make I do for you? Anything at all.
Just rest, that's all.
Even the things we will not fit talk, I feel run out for you.
Just rest.
Make I dey go.
Yes, you and the baby need to rest.
Yep.
Easy. Easy.
Thank you.
Sorry.
I don't dey
Then I
go.
see the truth. Diamond G's dancing on the lights. The surrogate lies. The heart taken off. Then I realize when it's too late that our love was all that was needed. Nothing else left. I'm searching for a miracle, a light in the darkness. But the more I search, the further we drift apart. Yeah, see, I see the pains in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I am tempted to compare.
What is it, Charles? Of all the seats in this sitting room, this is where you chose to sit? What is it?
I made a reservation for us. 5-star restaurant, great breakfast. We just need to show up.
Why? Who asked you?
I just want to show you how much I miss you.
I'm not interested.
I miss you. I miss talking to you. I miss going on dates with you. I miss spending time with you, babe. Please.
Okay, fine. Fine. What? Leave me alone. Let me go get dressed. What, are you coming?
Take you there.
Let me dress up. Angel. You wanna come?
I beg. Eh? Which kind of thing be this? Which kind of frustration be this? This woman don't dey. She don't dey pepper me her, but I go do something I no like for you. Oh. Which kind of problem be this? Eh? I don't know why Oga Charlie no go just leave that man wey he marry call woman. Woman no fit born na woman, no be man. Me as I dey like this, baby factory. I want you to stop me. I go born 90 keep for this house. Children go dey run, one go dey wash plate, the other one go dey carry the other children. Eh? Which kind of problem be this? I need me and that man day today. I need privacy. I need something with that man today.
Just thinking, she like this one? This? Or this? I think this is nice, by the way. This is nice, right? Or this one, I don't know. Just help me pick out something.
Oh, baby, you know you've asked me this question for the past 20 minutes.
I just want to look my best.
It's just breakfast. Not a lot of people are going to be there anyway.
I don't care. You look good, so I should too. I think I should go with this one, right?
This? Or anyone you choose, you look smashing. Any of it.
Okay, that's enough. You know I miss this part of my husband that flirts with me restlessly.
This man now which kind of man be this? Hello? Hey! Femi, wetin I do you? Wetin I do you, wicked man? I don't know say they send you come. Wetin you dey call me for? I don't tell you, leave me. Femi, because wetin? Hey! Question, Femi. You don't dey ask me where I dey. You won't track me reach there? Femi, I don't know where I dey. Oh. They don't carry me go where I don't know. Femi, I don't lost. Leave me. Find your own life. I'm tired of your troubles. Eh? What do you talk? Now me born the children. No, Femi. I lie down by myself. Give myself Ikirewa. Now me give myself Ikirewa, carry belle. Who give me belle, Femi? No be you. Two of us get children. Carry your own, go that side. I don't do my own. Femi, body they pay me. You know how many children I don't put for this body fit finish. Now you get them, Femi. Look them, make they play with you. If you don't know what you want to do with them, carry them, go put for backyard, tie them there. Femi, they call me. I don't want the children. And then what will happen? No, Femi. You can't find me. What will happen? You be like say that craze where you think say you dey craze. Femi, I craze pass you. I craze. You know the person where you carry abi? Oh, you know me now. I know how they do my own. If I tie wrapper, I go show you craze. What you want to? You can't find me. What you gonna happen, Femi? Tell me. I talk am say wetin go kill you last na money. So your money dey enter where your eye dey enter where that small money where I won't carry home myself. I swear to God, you no go see am. You no go see am. The worst way you want to do am. I don't talk this thing since say you be sucking blood. Wish where they send for village make you come attack me. Now wetin you be? I talk am. You no go see anything. Talk this the way you talk, so you got that mind. At the hustle, you won't come from backyard, collect the one where the hustle. God punish you. If you call this line again, thunder will fire you where you dey, idiot. Hey, God. Hey, Father, any spirit of distraction, anywhere where you dey, fall down and die. You will die. Femi, as I did here, you are my point of correction. Father, touch that point of correction. If Femi no die, Father, no take me, but take him. Now Femi go die. In Jesus' name. They go where they go. Don't also finish. You can't tell me something else. Marry finish now. So now what's in the doctor talk? He talk say, make me and Oga Charlie come see him together. Say get some things where he won't follow two of us talk. Now waiting come make me come the knock for door. I don't call Oga Charlie, I call her, I need a pick phone. I say make I knock, make I follow when I talk waiting doctor want. Let me say I won't disturb anybody.
Okay. So you're saying the doctor asked you and my husband to come for a meeting without me?
No be me saying no. Now waiting doctor wants.
Yeah, that's what the doctor said. That's impossible. That will not happen. You are a surrogate for us. This baby equally belongs to me. Okay? Both of you are not going to do, including the doctor. No meeting will hold without me. Do you understand me? Do you get that? And next time the doctor reaches you for anything, you must communicate with me first. Do you understand me? Leave my husband out of it. I brought this deal to you. It is between you and I. Do you get me?
Madam, I hear what you talk.
Good.
So man, you think say you wise, abi? Wicked woman. I will don't see 99, 100 need to fear him. Things that the only plan I get be this. I get another plan. I dey calculate. I know what thing to do. Don't worry. You won't go chop. Me wey carry belly. I know be human being. You won't come out. If it easy, why you no carry the belly? Food kill you there. Don't worry, I know what I will do.
I'm searching for a miracle, a light in the darkness. But the more I search, the further we.
It doesn't sit well with me. It doesn't sit well with me at all.
What doesn't sit well with you?
Leaving her alone in the house.
Babe, I've told you. She'll be fine. She has done this more than 7 times on her own. She'll be fine. She needs us to take care of her, yes, but not babysit her. Babe, please, just come on,
I've thought
let's go.
about it. I can't.
I don't understand you. You apologize for one thing and then you go back, running back to do the exact same thing again.
I'm not running back to do anything. I'm just trying to make sure that the woman who's pregnant with our child is okay. I mean, both of us can go with her or...
Or what? She loses the child? Or she dies of fake waist pain? Oh, what is wrong with you, Charles? What is wrong with you?
I just can't look the other way when I know that my child might be in danger.
My child. That's what I keep hearing. Isn't that my child too? You know, both of you have just made this all about you two. I'm just like a mere spectator. I don't like it. Okay, so what's going to happen for the date I just dressed up for?
Babe, we can always reschedule the dates now.
Really?
Yes. But if anything happens to the child, that's not something we can solve. We can't get it back.
God, can't you see, Charles? Can't you see what this woman is trying to do to us? Can't you see? You know what? You're not going anywhere. We're going for that date. We're going to go out. We eat. We have fun. Please. We're going to have a good time together.
I choose to save a life than to go and have fun.
Babe, don't do this.
It's okay.
Oh, please.
Hey! 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 Oga Charlie, how na this pikin again? Oh, this pikin! Hey! I don't tire to the breathe. Oh! Hey! Oga Charlie, thank you say you come. I don't tire.
Should we go to the hospital again?
My body be like say they put fire inside. Oh!
Okay, calm down. Sorry.
Oga Charlie, come. Oh! Ooh.
Sorry.
Oga Charlie, thank you say you come. Oh. Thank you. Speaking,
Sorry.
Speaking no be like all the other children who I carry. Pikin just stubborn anyhow.
Sorry. Very sorry.
Anytime a pikin say fight dey house or people no happy, na so the pikin go dey worry.
Really?
I dey tell you. But as you just come now, be like say they pour cold water for my body. Wow. Everywhere don't dey okay. Cha. You better papa oh. They won't give award for papa. They'll give you two. They tell you. Look at Charlie, eh? Master, where? I did like this, eh? I feel give you many children. No be one, no be two. Eh? I know say that man where you marry put for house, no fit do one for you.
Excuse me?
They hear me now. And they collect signal. If you just throw the signal once, ma'am, I'll collect.
Tina,
see am.
Tina, let me believe or think that it's the hormones that's making you talk all this blah blah dash. Is it that we go to the hospital or you lie down and rest?
Oh God, Charlie. Why you dey talk like this? Carry am come meet your pikin. Eh? Things I no know say na pretend you dey pretend. I don't see your face now. Anytime when your body do anyhow, you go just come meet your pikin. Now so happiness go full your body. I dey see am. I know say you won't be good man. That's not wetin make you dey with that woman.
Hey. Tina.
God, Charlie. Yeah?
I understand that I might not be comfortable with the situation or the conditions, but you have no right whatsoever to disrespect my wife like that.
Which wife? Oh, Charlie, bring your hand, touch your pikin. Now your pikin, no. Now your pikin, bring your hand, come. Bring your hand, come. Eh? Oga Charlie, just come, calm down.
Baby.
Why they do like this now? Eh? Oh! Which kind of wish be this? Eh? Every time this man want to enjoy himself, this if fellow man come to disturb him. Which kind of woman be this one now?
I've been worried about you all day. Hey.
Don't touch me.
Hey. We need to talk.
About how you've been pretending for 9 years? Or how you constantly run back to her? Which one? Did you go to the hospital? What did the doctor say? about the expectant daddy.
What was I supposed to say? What exactly was I supposed to say? Huh? That I'm pained by all of this so that you dive deeper into depression? Of course I love kids. Of course I want kids. But all I've been is a supportive husband. So how dare I say that?
Oh, that's why you connect with Tina. That's why all your support shifted to her because she can give you kids and I cannot. I get it.
Can you just stop?
I will stop if you will get out of my way. Please, I want her out of this house, but you do not. What exactly do we have to talk about? Please just leave my way.
I miss you.
Please, go to her. She's a whore that's availed to give you kids, right? She's availed to give you home and everything else. She'll be more than glad to have you. As for me, I do not want to be disturbed. And hey, I will not be an option for you to run back to at your own convenience. This is how you wanted it, right? Enjoy your new wife, your child bearer.
What's I hear? Now me you call Olosho, Helen. You call me Olosho?
I can call you anything I like. This is my house. If it doesn't suit well with you, you get out.
Hey, Helen. You see that mouth where you carry call me Olosho? Nah, so. Talk sorry. Talk sorry.
You really do have some gush, you know. If I don't say sorry, what would you do? Run away with the child or fight me in my house? Listen, I don't hurt people, but right now I am so livid that I might just make an exception of you.
Helen, I no be Olosho. I dey where I dey. Balance with all the children where God give me. Una come. Una beg me for pikin. Beg me, I agree. Now they call me Olosho. You dey call me Olosho? Use that man talk sorry.
Did I also beg you to shamelessly plead with a married man to throw his wife out and accept you?
Madam, you know they go market. When you go market, people they call you, customer come. Now everywhere they go. I give brother offer. If you like, he put body. If you don't like, he come up body. No be by force. Hey, Helen, leave this man. Make him see happiness. As he did with you since, you be like stone. You no get wetin they plant for stone, make it grow. You no get you where they plant for stone. Helen, but see me now. As brother Charlie see me, everywhere soft. I be woman. I can't stand there follow man. They talk. I be woman. Happiness dey my body don't show. As one time he come, pia, see am. You know the self for my body. This is not to get money. I beg you.
Then I realized when it's too late that our love was all that was needed. Nothing else left. I'm searching for a miracle, a light in the darkness. But the more I search, the further we drift apart. Yeah, see, I see the pains in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I am tempted to.
I don't tell you, say, make you know they call this line. Say, God go punish you anytime when you call this line. You dey crazy? Now they call this line. Now you get the children, look them. I don't born them for you, look them. I don't do my own. Leave me now, man, enjoy my life for you. Which kind of thing be this? Oh, shut up your mouth, useless man. Nobody go believe you. That time when you put that your useless thing inside of me, I don't even know why I follow you like that. Why I even follow you like that, Seth? That time when you put your useless thing inside my body, at the same time they put their own. So nobody go believe you. Now you get this one, Femi. Now you get them, but nobody go believe you. Now me be the mama of the pikin. Now me go tell them who the papa be. Chris man. Oh wait. Now me you dey threaten. Femi, nothing go happen. If you come here, I go tell them say you be Chris man. They go pursue you, come off for here. Nobody go believe you. Now they call this line. Oh yes, waiting. Femi, then they call this like say I don't want vessel. This pikin they sleep for my belly. Eh? This pikin when they bring well to they sleep. Hey.
What did you just say?
What's happening?
No. You will not do that with me today. I heard you say something. What was it? What was it you just said?
Monitoring spirit. I don't talk anything. Come out from my room now.
Okay, wait. The child is not ours. You got pregnant and you want to pin it on us.
They talk.
How dare you? How dare you try to deceive my husband and I? How dare you? God!
What's going on here?
Hey.
What's the issue?
I don't know.
What's wrong?
I don't know. See this woman where you carry food for house. I don't even know why I carry this.
There's nothing wrong with her, baby. Don't listen to her. There's nothing wrong with her. She's lying. Listen, this baby is not ours. She got pregnant for her boyfriend, her husband, whatever that man is to her.
What is
This
wrong
baby
with
is not.
you? What are you saying?
The child is not ours.
Gachalo, this lie not dey too much. I beg, eh? I beg, this is not dey too much. Make I talk. And you should just sit down here. Come dey talk say the pikin no be una pikin. Which kind thing be this? No be una put una thing for my body.
Oh my God, why are you lying? Can you just tell the truth? Tell him the truth. This baby is not ours.
Hey. Listen. I've warned you one too many times. Stop this nonsense. She's pregnant for Christ's sake.
It's not.
If anything happens to my child, you won't like that side of me. You won't, what I will do, you won't like it too. Please, shift. Come. Sorry. Wait, calm down. Can you just leave?
Nothing wrong with her.
Can you leave?
Stop believing her. Why you believing her?
You want to go to the hospital?
She's lying.
What a wicked one.
Calm down.
This one
Oya,
a
breathe.
wicked
Stop
one.
shouting. You're stressing yourself and the baby. Stop shouting. Relax. Calm down. Breathe. Breathe. Sorry. Oh, breathe.
Talk to your pikin. Your pikin won't hear your voice.
It's too late that our love was all that was needed.
You better not.
Nothing else left. I'm searching for a miracle, a life in the dark. But the more I search, the further we drift apart. Yeah, I see the pains in your eyes. I see the love that we share. When the pressure mounts, I am tempted to fall. I see the pains in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I am tempted to fall. I hope we can build a life away from this pain, where nothing else matters but love and peace. Oh, and that's when you look at me, I'll be everything. Oh, I've been waiting for what feels like an eternity for a child to call my own, a family to be. But years go by, and my heart feels like a stone. Desperation creeps in. I'm losing my mind. I'm searching for a miracle.
Hey, babe.
Oh my God, are you crying?
No. I'm fine. I'm okay.
I can come. My husband will watch the kids. Just let me.
No, you don't have to. Listen to what I have to tell you very carefully. Tina is not pregnant with our child.
What? Jesus Christ. Are you sure?
Yes, I overheard her on the phone with one Femi. I guess that's her.
Her husband? Boyfriend?
Yes,
Whatever.
Remember you asked me to fight for my home? I guess I should just give it one last shot.
Yes, girl. I can't believe this. Do you have anything in mind?
Yes, I do. And listen to me very carefully, please.
Down gently.
Oga Charlie, I don't learn that one. Now the one where they can't do the thing like this together. What did they do? What did that one mean? Don't be firewood. You want start fire? Hey, I see people they do that. I say, what is this kind of wahala? Aya, give me small meat now. Don't be me, oh. Now you're picking.
Cut it.
Ma, cut am. Cut the meat for me. Cut for me now. Don't be so. They do am.
But when the pressure mounts, I am tempted to compare. I hope we can build our lives away from this pain, where nothing else matters but love and peace.
Yeah. Yes, I am.
You can quote you.
No, you don't have to. Don't worry. Get it.
Tina! Tina!
What are you expecting?
I don't know anybody.
Hey. So now here you there, eh? Tina. Here you there.
What's going on here?
Now my wife now I come carry with my pikin.
What? Tina. Tina.
Sir?
Who is this man? What is he saying? What's this nonsense he's talking about?
Who be that? I don't know this man, no. Oga Charlie, I don't know this man. Na crazy person, no.
You really still do not know this man? Huh?
Take this.
What do you mean that?
100,000 naira. I overheard your conversation on the phone with your girlfriend.
Girlfriend, eh? No, she not be my girlfriend. Now my wife she be. See, we don't marry for 10 years. Yes, I know say I don't be better husband. That one everybody know. But we are still married. We are married.
I don't know which of you is lying, but you not seem more convincing than you.
Eh. I think she dey tell you, Abi. Okay, wait, might show you something. You see, they see am. Na me and Tina be this for this picture. See, Tina just dey tell people say she no dey married. They take and they deceive everybody. But we still dey married.
Listen, married or not, your wife is interested in my husband, and she's using that pregnancy, which I know belongs to you, to break my home.
What did they talk about?
I will give you 100K more if you will come to my house and take your wife. I'm sure with you there, she will not deny it anymore. Come to my home, take your wife. Peace here will wear you the rest of the money.
Okay. So for your mind, they tell you say they're hungry, Abi. Now I make you carry this rubbish here, come they give me, say na money. What be this one? I resemble person where they hungry. See woman. 5 million naira. Now I go take.
Femi.
Femi. See, our marriage, you know what? Reach 5 million naira.
Listen, this is your last chance, okay? I can arrest both of you for paternity fraud. You will take this 200,000 naira I'm offering you and come to my house, take your Tina out of my home and have my 1 million naira returned back to me. Okay?
Look, Adam. See, don't call here, call insult me or call harass me. Waiting. Which can't trade with that one? If they threaten me, say you go do waiting. You go lock me up or waiting you go do. I beg, come out here. If you don't bring 5 million naira, nothing, no show. I beg, come out here, Johnny. Waiting. Baban, I beg, give me one more shot. Which kind of rubbish with that one now? Waiting.
I don't understand. What's this?
I can't carry my wife and my pikin.
What are you saying? What? She can't be your wife now.
Why they talk like that? You there here and they show you picture. You still there doubt am. Okay, Oga. Now I show you my own. Okay, see. Now the picture be this. Take her now. So this woman leave me for house with the children, come out. Tell me say she go bring money, come. Okay, I don't wait for this girl. I don't tie, I don't see am. Now say me I come find am. You see this belle? Now me get the belle. She don't get this belle before I go hospital.
No, that's impossible. But the hospital should have detected.
Bros, why they talk like say you no go school again? Bros, okay, you no say they fit give you fake report. You no. This woman, if she like you say she don't be my wife, then she go do anything just to survive. See, bros, may I tell you the truth? Wetin we plan be say we go leave the baby with una. Then we go run away with the money wey una give us. But see, because say she dey greedy, she be wicked woman, she no fit bring the money. That make I say make I come expose everything. Bros, abeg, no vex. No vex for me. No be my fault o. No vex, abeg, it's not my fault.
Yes.
Okay, Charlie, don't believe this man. I don't know him.
You're still going to stand there and lie to me? First of all, you don't know him, but here. You're married to him. You're his freaking wife. How am I supposed to believe you? How? After all I've done for you, I took care of you. Treated you like I'm supposed to treat my wife. Gave you the attention that she deserves. Because I thought the child was my blood. And this is how you pay me. This is how you pay me, Tina. Before I close my eyes and open it. Get out!
Hey. Bros, abeg, where my phone now, bros?
Get out of here!
Okay, I don't see.
You won't like me, oh? You will not like me. Get out!
Hey. Transfer that 1 million naira I gave to you now. Transfer it back to my phone. Now. Quickly.
I don't get the 1 million, no. I don't get the 1 million. I don't. Let people call me, I send the money, give them. You see this man? I don't give you 10,000. Maybe you can't drink.
10,000 naira, give me.
I'm not giving you, Femi.
They clear, say give me 10,000 naira.
Hey!
I better give them back their money.
Whatever you have, send
She
it.
said only you go chop the money.
Send it now.
The young woman.
No worry. I go judge you.
He go judge you too.
Now!
Network they disturb, oh.
It's not to disturb.
See, don't they go? Now 650 they there, oh.
Oh yeah.
You see?
Who be this?
Get out.
Come on, man, we go house.
Hey! I don't follow you. I don't follow you. I go bite you. Come on.
Come on, we go house.
Hey,
Get out of my house, both of you.
See, I discovered a very good fertility clinic. With them and God on our side, you have your own child. Okay? Okay.
You feel me?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, you have the audacity to be ordering me right there. You're feeling Tabby. Wait, hey, what's that? What's this one that you just gave? Singing again?
Oh, yes. I don't know. Do I know for both of you?
What was that? You have started now. Wait, my picking the cry. My papa the dance.
Not this one. This is a lovely baby.
This is not the baby from Lies. Oh my God. I could just be here all day. In fact, my whole lifetime. He's making noise. Hello? Can you hear me? That's what she used to say. Talk to the baby. Hello? Daddy's here.
That's been on the lies. The surrogate lies.
Say you can't wait to come out.
Okay.
The heart taken off. Then I realized when it's too late that our love was all that was needed. Nothing else left. I'm searching for a miracle, a light in the darkness. But the more I search, the further we drift apart. Yeah, see, I see the pains in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts, I am tempted to compare. Oh, I see the pains in your eyes. I see the love that we share. But when the pressure mounts,